Welcome! In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to find your post activity on Instagram using the web version on your PC. If you've noticed the layout has changed recently, don't worry, this updated method will walk you through it step by step. First, open your browser and go to Instagram's official website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your home feed, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on that. A menu will pop up with several options. From here, you want to select Your Activity. This section is where Instagram now keeps a detailed overview of everything you've done on your account, including interactions, time spent, and content activity. After you enter your activity, look for the section labeled Photos and Videos. Click on it to expand more options. Inside, you'll see different categories like posts, reels, and possibly stories depending on your account activity. Next, click on Posts. This is where all your uploaded posts are organized in one place. You can scroll through them, review older uploads, and even manage them more easily than before. For example, you can select multiple posts if you want to delete or archive them quickly, which is really useful if you're cleaning up your profile. One thing to note is that this section makes it much easier to track your content over time compared to the older layout. Instead of digging through your profile manually, everything is centralized here. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can access and manage all your Instagram posts directly from your PC using the latest update.